Good morning students. I'm going to start with the next video. See conversion of continuous, right, AWGN, right, channel into vector channel. Very simple. Receiver block, I have to write the receiver block. So SI of t, right, when the input comes you multiply with the carrier is phi1 of t, then you integrate, right, is represented by SY1. Same way input comes you multiply with the carrier phi2 of t, integrate SI2. Same way when the input comes, right, multiply with the nth carrier phi n of t, integrate the SI of n, I will get. Clear? This is a receiver block, right, where you have already studied this part. I've already explained this part to you. Just I am going for x of t, received signal, right. What is SI of t? The input data. What is W of t? The noise. Correct. So noise is nothing but additive white Gaussian noise. The PSD of the noise is given by n naught by 2. Correct. So right, n naught by 2. Now I am going for the next part. Xj, observation point. When you see some data x of t, 0 to t, carrier dt plus noise. Correct. So xj, what is this? The whole part whatever I have got here is nothing but Sij plus Wj. What is Wj? It is the noise. Correct. So now Sij means what? This part is nothing but your Sij. See there? Sij, can you find the same here? Here, right? Correct or not? Sij is nothing but this part. So no problem. Sij you can write. One more representation Sij. Si followed by j, the carrier. Now Wt. So what is Wj? See, when you receive the input data x of t, along with the input data you receive noise also. So the noise is also multiplied with the carrier. That's why 0t noise multiplied with the carrier dt. Correct? Now I'm not concentrating too many things here. What is required, only that much I'm telling. When you receive some data, the sent data is Sij. That means the mean. Mean means expected value. What you are going to receive at the receiver side is Sij. Correct? The same way, I am going for the variance of Xj. So what is variance? Variance is nothing but the power of the noise. So square indicates the power of the noise. So how you represent noise? You represent by Wj. When you put square, correct? So square indicates what? The power. E indicates the expected value. Expected value of the noise. Correct or not? So I will repeat. Expected value of the mean of the input means the mean. What is the value here? Sij. Expected value of the noise nothing but Ewij square is there. Correct? The remaining things I am going to show you just by heart it how much is possible there. It's not a very complicated one. Correct? Now I am going for the very important thing, right? Likelihood function. Whatever I have sent, I have received. That is the meaning of likelihood. So what is that? F of x, right? X slash mi. So what I have done? I have sent mi. I have sent mi. Right? Likelihood function. Please understand, very simple. Right? F of x. F of x. X slash mi. Everybody knows this equation. Already we have done. Correct? In the module 3. This equation everybody knows. The same equation is represented as f of x, x slash mi. Correct? That is given by L of mi. Is another in-between equation. This is called likelihood function. Is given by L of mi, that is f of x, x slash mi. That is nothing but this function. Now, right, say here log of likelihood function. Likelihood function is nothing but L of mi. That is L of mi means f of x, x slash mi. Right? L of mi, that is log of this whole function. This function, log of L of mi. Correct? You can perform the log of this answer. You are going to get this equation. Remember the equation. Now I'm going for very important type, optimum receiver using coherent detection, maximum likelihood of decoding. That is, in the exam they may ask what is ML decoding, maximum likelihood decoding, correct? So what's the guarantee that I have sent this and I have received that, correct or not? So see here, right? Probability of error. Probability of error is what I have sent mi. What is x? X is observation point at the receiver. So what it says error has happened means mi not sent. Correct? Mi not sent. Where's observation point? This observation means I have sent mi and the mi becomes something else. Right? This can also be written as 1 minus probability of mi, right, sent slash x. What is x? At the receiver side. Correct or not? Observation point at the receiver side. Correct? So what is this? Right? Minimizing the error probability. If probability of mi sent slash x is greater than or equal to another term he has taken mk, right, send slash x, means what he is saying that sending, right, mi is more times, right, than the sending mk. So more number of times I have sent this symbol than this. Now, right, maximum likelihood definitions is very simple, right? A vector x means what? X is observation point, correct? Right? Region Ri, I will tell you what's the meaning of that. Ln of f of x, x slash mk is maximum likelihood when k is equal to I. Correct? That is the thing, but this is called f of x, x slash mk is called maximum likelihood function. This is also called maximum likelihood function. See that maximum likelihood function there, that is given. Now let us see the equation now. See, not a equation. See how many carriers? 2 carriers. How many? M is equal to 4, 4 symbols. So I have got here 2 carriers, right? 4 symbol. I can call it as M1, M2, no, not M1, okay, M1, M2, M3 and M4. See the shaded region here. What is X? X is the receiver at the receiver side, right? What I have sent? I have sent some symbol represented by M1, correct? M1 indicates region 1, that is this part of the symbol. I have sent, right, in this region I have sent some signal. At the receiver side, right, I have received the signal, right, that lies in the same region. That means whatever I have sent, I have received. I will repeat. Say I have sent M1. At the receiver side, I have received M1. That means the observation point is in this region. That is called maximum likelihood. Now, see here, noise cloud means what? Whatever signal is done, phi 1 and phi 2, this is the noise. Noise affects uniformly the system. So what happens? Si is a vector, correct? What is here? Noise vector is there. What is x? X is the observation point, correct? Now, the correlator receiver. See, they consist of detector and maximum likelihood decoder. So, see here, observe x1 is observation point. x1, x2 and xn are the observation point. You already know x of t multiply with the carrier integrate, I will get x1. X of t phi 2 multiply x2 I will get. X of t phi n I will get xn. This whole block diagram is replaced by a simple block diagram. That means you just have to replace, right, multiplier and integrator, right, by a multiplier and an accumulator. What is accumulator? Stores the value, correct? So whenever I get the data, you multiply with S1, right, store the data, and this value whatever you get here, you have to compare with half this value and give to the select largest. So what is the select largest? When I get a receipt data, right, either I will have this signal or this signal or this signal. Out of a n number of signal, data will be present at only one stage. Suppose when I receive signal, I got here. So this value is greater than this. So here I will have the largest value. And here I will have the smallest values. Here will be the largest value, remaining will be the smallest value, and the largest value will be selected. So I will repeat, x of t is the input. When you get the input, right, multiply with the S1, right, store the data, compare this data with this data. See, when you receive some signal, right, either the signal can be this or this, any one of the value. So if the signal is this amplitude will be high, remaining value will be low. So this will be selected at the output. Now the next one is a matched filter receiver. See, match filter receiver, they have done lot of simplified they have done. When I say match filter receiver, I want to say this output. What's the value? When you get a data, multiply with the carrier, then integrate. That is nothing but yj of t minus plus infinity x of tau h of t j t minus tau d tau. That means x of t is the receive system, and the right multiplier and integrator is given by what? H of j followed by yj. I will repeat, x of t is the received input, h of j is nothing but the right multiplier and the integrator, and yj is the output. Correct? So yj is minus infinity plus infinity x of tau hj of t minus tau d tau. Correct? So I'm not going to tell so many stories here. A very simple story. X of t is the received data, phi 1 is the date, right? Phi 1. See here in the diagram, integrate, multiplier, integrator is replaced by phi 1 of t minus t. Second, you observe here, multiplier, integrator is replaced by phi 2 t minus this value, and the last value phi n, integrator these two is replaced by phi n of t minus t. Correct? That is very simple, right? H of t is equal to phi t minus t, and what is h of j is nothing but your integrator, multiplier and the integrator.